The Maverick needs to say two things to the Reggae girls ahead of their crucial World Cup qualifier against Haiti tonight. One piece of psychological advice for the girls and a bit of tactical reminder. I just want to remind the Reggae girls that most of them have been here and done this before. They have played in a high-pressure win or go home World Cup qualifying clincher and won it. Most of these very same girls have actually played in a World Cup. Just keep that in the back of your mind. No matter how you see the Haitians, a huff and a puff, none of them have won a game of this magnitude before. None of them Haitian girls have played in a World Cup. Now you have that experience. Girls, we are begging you to use it. Now to the tactical reminder, speaking specifically to Captain Bonnie Shaw, skipper. No bother with his selfishness tonight. It might be tempting to go for the individual glory, but do not yield to that temptation. The few chances you might get against the Haitians, make the right decisions with the team objective in mind. Now, girls, if you take those two little pieces of advice from the Maverick, in another 2 hours or so, the entire Jamaica will be jumping and shouting for the Let's Go!